Hey everyone, Sam from Honcho Supplies. I'm with a couple of legends from MGM Building Maintenance company. I'm here with Goshi and Anthony Mundine. Boys, we've collaborated on a product for building sites and building site safety specifically. Before we get into that, perhaps it'd be good if you could just give us a bit of a background about MGM, why you're in the industry, what you get up to, sort of what the mission of the business is, and then we can talk about the product.
Well, firstly, Anthony Mundine. There's only one legend here.
True.
I've known Josh for 30 years. Very honest, genuine guy. He came to me in 2016, telling me about creating MGM, Mundine Ghost Management.
Coach Daher, not a legend. As Anthony said, we've been good mates for 30 years, so we've done it since then and we've collaborated. We've got a couple of Indigenous barriers on the road. We do all sorts of artwork, and then this opportunity arose with Honcho Supplies, and nothing better to engage with safety products, and it's an honour and humbling to be part of their business and collaborating with this mat, and hopefully we will see it all across the state.
And I told Ghost, from day dot, I told him we got to do it with integrity, we got to do it with passion. Like, I'm very passionate about my people and giving back and giving opportunities and uplifting and inspiring and motivating the next generation. And that's what MGM is all about.
Yeah, cool. And boys, if customers want to buy them or find out more about the products, how should they find out more?
Via our email, info@mgmbmaintenance.com.au, or give us a call on 0414 288 121, and you can place your orders there, and we're happy to deliver them, and as I said, see them all across the country because it's a good initiative and a good safety mat on work sites.